What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, back with another short video. But man, look at this truck. I tell you what, it is a beauty. Belongs to a client of mine. How you doing, Brandy? She is beautiful. But anyway, we're gonna put an amp in here. We're gonna put Bluetooth module, some speakers, get her right for the summer, and some car shows, some events. Look at the interior. Oh, so nice. Back in, you can hear Chase in the background. He's excited too. So stay tuned. Let's go. There you have it, y'all. 1950 Chevy pickup truck. You saw the pictures. Just put a Bluetooth module in there, 2 speakers in the dash area. Everything's hidden. Came out real nice. Sounds real good. Going in the show tomorrow. Make sure you click like, share, subscribe. AL Designs, Anthony Lyons, Kitsap Lake. On to the next one.